That didn't work. What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome if you are new. Check it out. What I tell you in the last video. Guess what? If you ain't seen the last video, go ahead and click that I in the upper right hand corner of this video to check out the last collab. I'll also leave it in the description box below for you to go check out all of our recent collabs on the channel. So I'm back. I told you guys I would be back again with another one. I am super freaking excited for this. So go ahead, grab your coffee, grab your tea, your water, whatever you're drinking, and let's get into it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yes, honey, yes. There's more. There's more. Okay, that's it. So let's get into it. So first up is this nail lacquer set. This is in the color Electric Glow. This is set number 5. So if you don't know who Maniology is, where have you been? Where have you been? Maniology is a company that is based in Hawaii, and they offer stamping plates, stamping polish, all kinds of good goodies. Look at this. Oh, look at these colors. Let's just push these out. Oh my goodness gracious. I like how that was packed. That way it ensures that it won't get broken during shipping. Sorry, I smacked. That was rude. We got them all out. Look at these gorgeous colors. These are so pretty. So if you don't know what we're gonna do today, baby, we are going to get into some stamping. Look how gorgeous these are. These colors are so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. Up next, we have a sticky base coat for you to do your swatching. Here is a nail stamping starter kit. So this was the one that I chose. I chose to get this stamper because many people struggle with French lines and how to do Frenches. So this is actually the French kit. As you can see down here, I'll try to take this glow off of here. This number is plate number M052. Here is the stamping starter kit. Now I've done stamping before in my earlier days when I first started doing nails, so I'm pretty familiar with how to stamp. And guess what guys, guess what we got a discount code. Yes, I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. So you get a scraper, your actual jelly stamper based in a white. So these are the stamping duos, and you just take that off like that so that you can get to each color, but you can keep them together. That way you actually have it. They also sent over 2 additional nail stamping plates. I was able to choose which one I wanted, so I was going by the designs that I had in mind. This one 357 is the plate number for this one, and as you can see, I'm holding it aslant so that the light don't actually reflect on it and then you can't see the actual designs. Look at these swirls and stuff. Now this blue film that's on here, this is a protective film to protect the stamping plate, so before you use it, you're actually are supposed to peel that off. The next plate that I chose was 450, and I was thinking of all type of designs that I didn't have. How many people have tried to get their hands on lace foil and have not been able to get your hands on any type of lace foil? Oh my goodness. This is why I chose these two, to have these lacy designs and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. We are going to have some fun today. Up next. Oh, how freaking cute is this? Look how freaking cute is this. So when you push this, it's a cotton grabber. Look at that. Look at that. so that you can keep your hands clean while you do your nails. That is freaking awesome. And the last thing they sent over was this angled cleanup brush. Now, if you don't have additional colors or nothing like that, go ahead, use my discount code to get you a starter kit that will come with the stamper and all that stuff that I just showed you. But also get a black and white for your designs. We're going to have some fun in today's video. This is a nice angled brush. I like it. Cleanup is going to be awesome. Look at this brush. It is so pretty. And look at that. A cap to go along with it. Let's get into some nails. So before you get started with stamping, there are a couple more things. Be sure that you have some acetone, tape, or a lint roller. I'm going to start off with this plate. Again, this is the French plate. This is M52. So this is the French plate, but I'm turning it this way because we're going to be working on our practicing at Nache. I also have a couple of more items right here. I have, of course, my white towel, a paper towel that has the jelly stamper along with the scraper card. And we're going to be using this duo. I'm going to use the white as the base for the French. So I'm kind of going to freestyle this. So I don't know what design I'm going to put on each nail, but we're going to come up with something super, super cute. So you want to have all your materials ready. And I'm going to start by applying some polish to this design right here and make sure that it is coated. And then you want to work kind of fast, and then we're going to scrape the excess, and then we're going to pick up our design. If it does not pick up, that is okay. Go ahead and start it over. So this is what you need that lint roller for. Remember, I was telling you need a lint roller and it'll clean off the stamper. Now there's something on the other side of my stamper, but I'm not going to worry about it because it's not on the side that I need. So that, because that didn't come off real good, I'm going to put some acetone on here. This is why you want to have all your supplies ready right away, so you'll be ready to do it again. I'm going to apply a little bit more. This is a new plate, but you want to be ready. Don't put any acetone on that jelly stamper at all. So I'm going to make sure I get enough on here. If this does not work, I'm going to try a different polish because it don't seem like that one to pick up. That may just be a base. Yeah, that still didn't pick up, so I am going to use a different white stamping polish because that one there, I'm just, like I said, it might be a base color, and that's probably why it's not picking up. I'm going to add a little bit more acetone to that to let that fully break up that polish that's there. So I have a different white. You can clean your card with the acetone. That does work. That didn't work. Okay, I have given up on the French design for now. So now I'm just trying to test whether or not if it is the polish or the plates. So I decided to move on to a different plate, and I'm going to do this design here in the middle. And we're still using that previous white that I had. And I'm going to see, because when I use a scraper card, right, to scrape off the excess polish, oh my God, it just like completely wipe the design away. Now I'm not sure what happened, although the plate was prepped. So yeah, I'm thinking perhaps maybe it was the plate. So I will have to let them know about that. But as you can see, we picked up this design with no problem. So I have not put anything on the nail at all. There's no base coat. This is just the gel polish. Look at that. And now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the excess polish around the cuticles and everything like that. If you don't have a lot of acetone on your brush, you can smooth out the polish without ruining the design. And I'm just cleaning off the plate with some acetone, and let's stamp it again. So now I'm going to go ahead and speed up this part of the video just so that we can get the design done. Now, stamping can be a lot of fun. It is a bit challenging. In this video, I kept it very, very, very simple for all of my beginners without layering additional colors. I have not even gotten to all of the colors. I did test them out without doing the video to test out some of the colors, and I was having a bit of trouble like laying those colors or picking them up off the plate. Keep in mind though, it should be fun. If you do run into any problems or anything with your stamping, it could either be the plate or it could be the polish. So be sure that you actually shake up the polish because it's not a standard gel polish. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of today's video. If you have any question, comments, or concerns, please drop those in the comments section below. If you enjoyed today's video and it's been helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to get yourself one of these kits or get any additional colors, don't forget to use the discount code Divinity10. The link will be left in the description box below. Be sure to stay tuned for the final results. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.